Hi everyone, I thought I'd just make a quick video because I've been playing OpenSpades recently. It's a fork of Ace of Spades, the old VoxLab client, not the new Jagex version. And for those of you who don't know, it's got modding support in it and there's a big modding community out there for it, but there's pretty much, at the time of this posting, there's no tutorial videos or tutorials anywhere online that I could find as to how to mod it on Mac. So just for reference, I am currently running Mavericks 10.9.4, so I only discovered how to actually mod this a couple of days ago, so I thought I'd make a quick video tutorial as to how to do this. So the things we need for today are BetaZip, which you can download from their website. The link will be in the description. You need, obviously, an unmodded OpenSpades client, which you can get from the OpenSpades website, and you need a mod. For this one, I'm going to use Paratroopers SMG M4 Magpul prototype. You can find that on the Build and Shoot forums. I'll post the link in the description for that as well. So first of all, you're going to need to go and download BetaZip. I've already got it downloaded. So you're going to open that up. And once that opens, we need to go ahead and close that window and go File and Open or Commando, whichever one you feel more comfortable doing. And you're going to need to navigate into the OpenSpades client. So you want to go Show Package Contents, double click on Contents. Sorry, my computer's being slow. Alright, you're going to want to go into Resources, and this is where all of your pack files are. This is the game data, and most of the time you're going to want to be modding base skin.pack, although if you need to mod a different one, that's fine too. But I'm going to go ahead and click on this resources folder and drag it into this open window, which is going to take us there. Then we're going to go ahead and click on base skin.pack and press open. Once that's open, you're going to notice that you've got all of these things. And this is what you would see if you extracted the pack with the unarchiver or whatever other program you have. The problem normally for Mac modders is recompressing it, because the game seems to reject any zip compression that PC users find they can do. So for this mod, we're going to go ahead and open the folder, and we're going to see that there's 4 folders. GFX doesn't exist, that's fine, we can just drag it in. All we have to do is simply drag it in there, and it'll actually place it in just like WinRAR on a PC. Now, just a note, you could drag it in like that, but I find that tends to replace things, and not all modders replace all files. So I think you're going to want to do this manually. So you're going to go Models, Weapons, and in this case we're modding the SMG, so I'm going to expand the SMG. We're just going to select all of these things and drag and drop them onto here, and apply to all and replace. Next thing we're going to want to do is to set scripts, and obviously this depends on the mod you're doing or installing, but most of them will have scripts. Whoops, I just opened those. Scripts, skin, SMG, and we're going to want to drag those in. Apply it to all and to replace. And finally, we're going to want to install the sounds. Sounds, weapons, SMG, and this is especially where it's important not to drag all the sounds in, because a lot of modders won't replace all the sounds. Some don't even do any sounds at all. I'm going to drag all of these into the SMG and apply to all and replace. Once that's done, you're going to go Command S, and that's going to ask you if you want to overwrite the original .pack file, which we do because we want our mods to be installed. So we're just going to go ahead and hit save. That's going to compress it back up into a pack, and you should find that that works. So if we go ahead and open OpenSpades now, we should find that our mod is installed. So I'm going to start the game, and I'll join up to a server with no one on it so I don't get killed immediately. Alright, so I have joined up to a server, and I'm just going to spawn in the blue team and SMG, and you're going to notice straight off that the SMG looks different, and that is because our mod has succeeded. We can scope in, that all looks fine. Shooting noise is different, reloading animations are there, and it all looks really cool. So that's it for today, guys. I hope I've helped someone with this tutorial. Definitely go check out all the mods, this mod in the description. I'll leave the links to everything I used in this episode in the description. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.